What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Aaron from RXC Media. Content management systems are helping us to design websites with no any coding skills. Today I will present a tool that you don't expect to create websites. The name of the tool is Mailchimp. Mailchimp is an email marketing integrated platform that can help you to create email marketing campaigns. But this tool as well can be used like website builder. So let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have a Mailchimp account, you can create one easily. Once you get there, from the dashboard section, the left side, just click create button. After that, click websites, click website again. By the default, the software will give you a template that you can use. So click manage site. The first thing that you can do from the settings section is to give a title of the website. I already gave one. So now we go back and click edit. Now we have 3 pages. We can create as much pages as we want, but from this tutorial I will focus only on creating the home page. The first section of the website is the navigation, the header. We can create navigation. We can choose the layout. The layout that you choose is this one. We can add a logo. For example, we can use an image or text. For this tutorial, I will use the text options. The text option. After that, we can start to add sections. The first section that you can add is an introduction. I will change the background. I will from the edit button, background, image, stock images. I'll use this one. Now you can add the font text. We can change the color of the font. We can as well create a button, but I will leave like as it is. After that, we can create another section. This will be services. For this, I will use this I'll change the image. I'll change the image as well from this. I'm using the stock images. From the SEO point of view, you can add alt attribute because you probably know that search engine don't read pictures if you don't have a alt attribute. This I'll change this pictures with another one. This. After that, I will add another section. This time, an introduction. This session will be about us. We can link the image or the button with the about us page. After this, we can add another section with projects. This will be we name the name of. We change the picture. After that, we can add a contact us contact page. I think this one can be is okay that you can use. And the footer section. For example, if you want to homepage to appear on the header section, from manage sites, from settings, just click add to navigation. Click save. And the home page is on the navigation section. We can preview the website. As you can see, now it looks like a template. You can check if it's responsive. So this was for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding my video, please leave them in the comments below. Bye and see you in the next video.